Hi guys! Okay, so if you watched my last video on magnetic lashes, you'd know that they didn't work for me. I didn't really leave much room for interpretation on how I felt about them. I couldn't get them straight, I couldn't get them close to the root of my lashes, and overall just had a really rough time embarrassing myself on camera for you guys. But I did tell you guys to tag me if you heard of a trick on how to actually use them, and one of you did tag me in a video of a girl cutting her bottom piece into 3 sections, which allegedly makes it easier to apply. So I'm gonna try it here on camera with you guys for the first time and probably just embarrass myself again. Obviously I'm pretty skeptical. I suffered through the first round, but let's do it again for a laugh. So I don't want to mix these up, so I'm separating them. This is the top lash, she's going over there, and I'm going to take this bottom lash, and so there's 4 magnets. So apparently you need to cut so that the middle piece's 2 magnets are both at the outside. Okay, let's give her a go. Alright my friends, let's see if this actually works. Alright, taking the easy to use top lash, and I'm gonna set that. Sorry, starting all over again. Okay, I'm just gonna set it wherever. Maybe because I'll start with my little outside chunk. Maybe I'll just try to get my outside piece. Okay, just try to get my outside piece on the outside. Then I'm gonna take my outside piece that I've cut now. That work? I don't know if it worked or not. Okay, whatever. Moving right along, I take my middle piece. Ouch. I just pulled myself in the eye. Oh! You know, I really wanted this to work. I really did. Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure. My middle piece is falling off while I'm trying to do this. Much as I love embarrassing myself for your guys' entertainment, I'm gonna, oh, you know what? It was stuck together on the outside. Okay, I'm gonna try getting the middle part stuck down first. Why not? Oh, I think that's on. I think it's on. Let's just be really real though, even if this is on, which I'm not 100% sure it is, this is no easier. Oh, that went right on that time. And in the right spot. I feel like I need 8 hands to do this. So the middle piece wasn't on. I think the outside piece is on though. I think it, oh, it wasn't on. No, it was on. I'm gonna try with 2 pairs of tweezers. I have the feeling that when you guys are watching me do this, you're probably like, oh my god, just let me do it. Huh. Okay, that's on. No. Well. Okay, that's on. And I think it does look a lot better than the first time I did it. Anything would have looked better than that, I guess. Oh, it's still really far away on my inner corner though. Overall, I'm not too sure that my initial impression has changed at all. I mean, it looks a little better. I'm gonna try cutting this one in a different way and see if that helps. So what I'm gonna do with this one, if you look here, there's 4 magnets. So the way I had it cut for the other one is like here and here, so that there's one big piece in the middle, and then there's 2 small pieces, but it's a whole bunch of area without a magnet on those little pieces. So I'm going to try so that there's this piece and this piece, and I'll just get rid of the middle piece. And see if I can just work on making the top piece look good. Honestly, at this stage, I'm never using these again anyway, so what's the harm? Around 7 million. Here we go. Serenity now, serenity now. I will not let you beat me, eyelash. I'm crying. Oh. Okay. I'm crying. I'm crying my makeup off, literally. Okay, my friends. It does work. They look better. They're not so far away from my lash base like they were last time. This side did work better. I think it was easier to figure out where things need to go and whatever. So the way I cut them worked a little better. So just cutting out the middle basically. It's a piece I took out. Just cutting out that middle part without any magnets and having just an inside and an outside piece for the bottom. Genius lash hack? No. Would I ever buy these again? Not in a million years. If you have them already and you need a way to make them usable, because you don't want to waste the 20 bucks or whatever these were. Yeah, see, like honestly, my side worked a lot better because I don't know if you guys just saw that, but when I was touching these, like these ones are kind of hanging. See? They're kind of hanging. Because there's certain parts of these that don't have a magnet, whereas the side I cut, so this is the side I saw like someone tag me in, like I have to use them. And then this is the side where I just like cut out the middle piece, so the 2 smaller pieces have magnets on either end. Anyways, honestly, I really wanted this to work. I really wanted for it to be not a funny video and a more of like an aha, yay, we figured it out type of video. Not today.